Okay, greetings everyone. I'm at the temple above the retreat, and quite a beautiful spot. Here's a very large Buddha statue that they're building, and I haven't been here inside the Buddha statue for quite a while, so it'll be interesting to see how much they've done. So in Mexico for the last year and a half or so. There's looks like they've sealed the door, so you can't walk inside anymore. Maybe we'll be able to get in. This area has a whole range of Buddhas across the front of the cliff face, so you can sit there and practice. It's quite a lovely area. The temple just behind the temple where we just started is a monk's quarters, and he was sitting out there this morning. I didn't want to disturb him, but he takes care of the place and does ceremonies and so forth here. Hey, here we go. Here's Harley. You're on video.
Oh.
We're just doing a tour.
Yeah, sweet.
Did you go up the cliff?
Is it past here?
Did you go up the trail?
No.
Oh, you did the main road.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know there was a trail.
There's a trail going right up. Yeah, it's at half distance. Anyway, well, I'm just doing a video tour of the place.
Cool.
Have you been inside?
No, not yet. Is it? Is this?
Yeah, this place. I'm gonna jump in and have a look. They've put doors on it now. I wonder if they're open. Are you locked up? Other side might be open. You say hello to the monk?
I didn't see.
Oh yeah, just in the temple area there. He was having a coffee, so I didn't disturb him when I came through. Oh, this is nice. Looks like it is locked. Gonna be able to see much through that. I'll have to ask the monk later to give us a tour so we can get the camera in there. Something to look at. Oh no, we've got an open door. Might want to take the shoes off. Don't know if there's enough light in here to see for this camera. Quite amazing. This would be great for chanting with this echo. Looks like they're building more downstairs. We'll leave this temple tour here. and I'll see quite a few of you guys in the coming weeks. Okay, bye.